guys, and welcome back to Beauty Fortified. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sue, and today I wanted to take you through the Estee Lauder products that I absolutely love. Now, Estee Lauder as a brand has got a lot of nostalgia for me. Back in the apartheid era, it was one of the few high-end brands that was available in South Africa. We had sanctions and we couldn't get things like Levi's and luxury makeup. But two of the brands that were on the scene were Estee Lauder and Clinique. And so I fell in love with Estee Lauder. It was, and still is, a real luxury brand. And I always aspired to Estee Lauder. I thought when I get to a certain age, I'm going to use their products. I always saw them as being a brand for older, more mature women. And it was something that I really aspired to. Now, they've had a couple of models represent them over the years, and the one that I fell in love with was Paulina Porizkova. She was the Estee Lauder girl from 1988 to 1994, and then she was followed by Elizabeth Hurley. Now, those are the only two that I know. I've kind of lost track of who's who now with the brand. And I do remember I was absolutely horrified a few years ago where they were advertising eye patches. I think they were the fashion of the day, eye patches that you could put on under your eyes. And they used a very, very young model, that Kardashian girl or whatever her name is. But she was probably about 14 or 16 at the time. And I was absolutely horrified because I just thought, what have they done to their marketing? They've absolutely lost the plot. They've changed their marketing strategy. They're now, aiming at a much younger target market. So I haven't really been too involved in their marketing ever since. I was quite shocked, and I must say that it was a little bit off-putting. But anyway, having said that, there are a few things from the brand that I use, and two of them are quite central, in fact, to my skincare routine and my makeup routine. So I'm going to take you through the products that I absolutely love. And of course, the first one is the Double Wear foundation. Now, a lot has been said about this. Many videos have been made. I've done a couple of reviews on this myself, and I absolutely love it. It comes in an uber amount of shades. You are sure to be able to get your shade. You can shear it out. There's so many different methods that you can use to apply it. It's bulletproof, it stays put, it's long lasting, it controls my oil. I have oily combination skin, or normal combination skin, should I say. And I just absolutely love this. On days where I'm a little bit undecided about what I'm going to put on, I reach for this because it's just a known quantity. I know exactly how it's going to perform, and I love it. Another one of their products that I just can't live without is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Now, this has been around for many, many years. I've also done a video on this, and it's seen many, many evolutions. And the latest one comes in a glass bottle. So this is the previous version, which I'm still busy using up. But there is a new version. So every few years, they revamp the technology and they bring out a new version of it. But I love it. It's chock full of hyaluronic acid, and you can use it in the mornings and in the evenings. And you can also combine it with the Estee Lauder Double Wear. If you feel that the foundation is a little bit thick and cakey, you just add a drop of this, mix it in and apply it, and perfection. So I really, really love that. Another product that I have used of theirs is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. Now, I was gifted this by my friend Agnes. She's got the channel Beauty Reviews Short and Simple. She very, very generously sent me a full-size amount of this. I had been using samples, and I had been going on about how I absolutely love this. And it's just beautiful. It smells gorgeous. And it just feels like complete luxury on the skin. And I've always said if money was no object, I would continue to purchase this because it is such a beautiful product. Another product of theirs that I've been using it's a sample. It's the Revitalizing Supreme Eye Cream. So it's the eye cream that goes hand in hand with the moisturizer. And I really love this. It's just absolutely beautiful. The little sample size looks like that. And it's just a gorgeous cream. I tend to use this in the mornings. I don't apply night cream at night because I do find that it tends to make my eyes a little bit puffy. But I've really enjoyed this when I find that my lower lids are becoming a little bit dry. I just pop a little bit of this on. It's just luxury. Love it. Another product that I have of theirs, it's also a sample, and they don't make this anymore, but it's the Idealist. This is the Even Skin Perfector. So it's a cream, a lotion that you put on. You can put it on under your makeup, and it looks like that. You just rub it in, and it illuminates your skin, and it just leaves a beautiful all over glow. And I use this on special occasions under makeup. I can't bear to part with it, even though I have had it for quite some time and they don't make it anymore. But as I say, I'm quite nostalgic about the brand, and I loved that when I got it. Onto a couple of makeup products from Estee Lauder. I haven't tried a lot of their makeup. I've tried some of their lipsticks, which I haven't really been very impressed with at all. But one of the products I do have is a blush, and they still make this. It's called the Lover's Blush, and it's beautiful. Now, it looks like that in the pan. It doesn't really look like anything, but it's what I've got on my cheeks today. And it's just absolutely beautiful. It is a dupe for MAC Warm Soul. So it's a kind of beigey, rosy color. That's how it translates when you put it onto the cheeks, even though you would never say so from looking at it in the pan. But it's beautiful. It's got a tiny bit of glow, and just love this. I remember I was at one of their counters a few years ago, and the sales assistant mentioned that they were discontinuing this, and I was heartbroken. But I see that it is still available on the South African website at any rate. So love that. Another one of the products that I really enjoy is an eye pencil, and it's the Double Wear Stay in Place eye pencil, and I've got it in Onyx. And I really love this for lining my upper waterline because it doesn't transfer, and it just gives your lashes a little bit of oomph. So really love this. It's soft without being too soft, and black as black. Really, really like that. And then a lip product that I have of theirs, which I really love, is one of their glosses. Now, this is quite an iridescent gloss, and I can't for the life of me read the name underneath it, but I will link it down below. And I've put it today over my Maybelline Almond Hustle lipstick, and it just adds a little bit of shimmer to the lips. And it's really, really lovely. So a kind of iridescent pink. It's got quite an interesting little application wand, but it really is very, very pretty just to put on over lipsticks. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to pick that up, but it's just a beautiful sheeny gloss, and it's not goopy or sticky at all. And finally, the last product of theirs that I love is the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara, and I was also gifted this by my friend Agnes. And this is beautiful. I've used little samples of this in the past. This is one of the samples, and I just absolutely love this. It doesn't smudge on me. It doesn't flake. It stays all day. It's got a beautiful, substantially sized bristle brush or wand, and just love this. Would highly recommend it if you're in the market for a very high-end mascara. So guys, those are the things from Estee Lauder that I still use and love. Let me know what you've tried from the brand. Let me know your go-tos, your absolute favorites, and the things that you can't live without. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.